This is the letter E. Big E, little e. Lots of words begin with the letter E. Egg, earth, eagle, elf, envelope, ears. What else begins with the letter E? E is for... That's right, elephant. What is an elephant? Elephants are the biggest land animals and are known for their long trunks and big ears. They are very friendly and live in family groups called herds. Elephants love to eat leaves, fruits, and grass, and they love to play in the water to cool off. Let's look at some different elephants for ideas. What do you see? I see elephants in many different styles. There's no right or wrong way to draw an elephant. Let's draw an elephant. You need paper, black marker, and something to make color. Starting with the ear by going to the middle of our paper and making the number 3. The number 3 is going to be our elephant's ear. From the top of the 3, we're going to do a curved line down for the top of the head. From the bottom of this line, we're going to do a curved line up, and line out, curved line in for our elephant's trunk. Then we're going to meet these 2 lines up with a gentle curved line, and that finishes your elephant's head and face. I'm going to make a small circle, and I'm going to color mine in with a medium-sized circle around it, so our elephant has an eye. I'm going to go ahead and give a little smile line. I have a happy elephant today. From the top of the 3, we're going to do a curve up and around for our elephant's body. And then from the bottom of the belly line, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 4 kind of square shapes to make his feet. From the end of the elephant, from the back of the elephant, we're going to do a line down, a little tail. Now this is a really simple elephant outline. We can add a few details. I'm going to add a couple lines to the end of the tail for some hair. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 little jump lines for my elephant. On each of his toes for toenails. I'm going to add some little straight lines into the trunk just for a little bit more detail, and maybe a little jump line above his foot. Remind myself that elephant is for E. Big E, little e. E is for elephant. Gray skin, like the elephants we saw earlier. Now, if you don't want to just do gray, you can do whatever color elephant you want. Now you could keep your elephant gray like the natural elephants in the images we saw. You could make your elephant a little different. I like the idea of doing different types of lines and shapes to my elephant, like some of the artistic elephants we saw earlier, and then adding color. Remember, there's no wrong way to make an elephant, whatever looks right to you. You made an elephant! Wow! Remember, elephant is for E. That is an elephantastic artwork. Thank you for joining us, and please consider liking and subscribing to Bold Soul Whimsy. See you in the next one.